everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bams. Go ahead, grab a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because your girl is hungry. And today, as you can see, we're having McDonald's and your girl is hungry, so we're not going to do nothing but jump right in. Today I have some McChicken. Add tomato. I have 2 McChickens. Add tomato, and then I have a regular hamburger. And I got me some ice water. I like to add me some ketchup to my McChickens. And no, I don't have any French fries today. I do apologize. But it's okay. This is going to do me real good. It's going to do me real good. Let's go ahead and jump in and get that first bite. Okay. Wow. I haven't had McDonald's in so long. This sandwich is phenomenal. Woo! Ain't nothing like a McChicken. I remember going to McDonald's when I was younger, and I used to, my dad used to take us there only for a treat. We didn't go to McDonald's all the time, y'all, just for a treat. But when I got those McChickens, when I got the McChickens, I was the happiest little girl in the world. And when I got older, and was able to order my own food, I add tomato. I just want to eat this real slow, so I can taste every flavor of this sandwich. Does that even look appealing? It looks appealing to me, but you know, who wants to see somebody's ABC bite? Actually, now think about it, I haven't had fast food on my channel in a long time. Everything has been homemade. Anyways, now I got some food in my stomach. How are you doing? You doing good? Oh, me too. I've been doing really good, just trying to figure out life, you know what I'm saying? I got all this time on my hands. Do you have time on your hands? Well, you better figure out something to do, honey. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? Are you a subscriber? Well, if you are and you've been listening to my last couple of videos, you know that me and my best friend was getting ready to start a candy cart. Well, that didn't go too well. It didn't go bad. It didn't go like I thought it was going to go. So I backed out of the whole deal. She still is going with the candy cart, and I pray that everything goes well. So far, everything is going well for her. You go, girl, Crystal. If you are watching this, I am proud of you. Anyway, we were supposed to go into it together, but she lives way over there. I live way over here. I don't know. I really don't feel like explaining it. I just know it's me, not her. And we're just, I don't know. I don't know. You know when something just telling you that it's just not for you, it's not right, then it's a no? Yeah. That's what happened. You guys, comment down below, yes, if you want some McDonald's right now. I don't eat McDonald's too much. It's a treat for me, baby. The more McDonald's I gotta eat, the more McDonald's I eat, the more I gotta go walk. I'm a tad bit lazy, so that ain't gonna work for me. To your food. This is so good right now. I'm so happy to be here sharing it with you. Guys, don't forget to smash the like buttons. And share this video with anyone and everyone, because that's how my channel grows. So help your sister out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Are you a number 1,000 subscriber? Because right now I'm at 900 and some change. I think I might be at 966. And when I look at the numbers in my analytics, it's telling me a large portion of you that's watching my video have not subscribed yet. So what are you doing? Subscribe. Plus, I like to do little shout outs here and there. I like to do shout outs from my previous videos that I posted. So when I go to my last video, I have 2 people that has commented. Miss Sugar, shout out to you, boo. Thank you for commenting on my last previous video of my giant sausage. And mukbangs and things. I love both of you. Thank you so much for your support. If it wasn't because of you guys, I wouldn't have no one there for my YouTube community. I mean, there's a lot of people out here in the mukbang community, but you know what I'm trying to say. Thank you for supporting your girl. Moving on to this flat burger. When I was a child, I used to not like these things. I'm going to cut it in half with my hand. I mean, it wasn't my favorite. So it got the pickles in it. Wow. Bringing back a little memory. Hello? Sorry, I'm so crazy, y'all. I don't have my I don't have my glasses on today. I got my contacts in. And my eyelashes. A little eyeshadow. A little lipstick. Trying to touch my girly side. I'm going to do some makeup videos, but I don't want it here on my mukbang channel, so I had to open a second channel, and I named it Simply Antoinette. It's going to be more basic videos, like what I do in my personal life, grocery hauls, what I eat in the days, healthy food diet tips, beauty stuff, you know, for hair, just stuff like that. So if you want to go over there and check it out. I don't have that many videos posted over there, but I do have a cool video over there that shows you how to get cheap video equipment for your phone to help you start a YouTube channel. I really don't want to finish this too much because I'm not a fan of the basic hamburger from McDonald's. This is my favorite thing to order from McDonald's, so I'm going to have to kill this. You know, I'm not trying to get too stuffed. It ain't no Thanksgiving over here. You know what I want to try? I want to try KFC's chicken sandwich. I haven't tried that yet. I love watching me some mukbangs. I just got on watching Zaddy Chunk Chunk and Nicole, of course, and they were eating some McDonald's, and that's where this video is inspired from. But if you want to know the truth, I like to film mukbangs when I have a lot of things on my mind where I have stuff to talk about. On this mukbang here, I really don't have too much to talk about. But it's okay. We're going to do it anyway. Why not, right? You got a mukbang channel, why not sit in front of the camera and enjoy talking to your company while you're eating? What you gonna do after you leave here? I'm gonna go downstairs, spend some time with my boyfriend. But I just dropped my daughter off. She went to go hiking up in down the road, up the street, around the corner, whatever. So I gotta wait for her phone call to say, "Hey, Mom, I'm ready to be picked up." We be having the mukbangers that be having their whole screen filled up with food. And they'll just sit there and eat it. That's just way too much food. Like, I just got done eating a hamburger and a half and I'm already like getting kind of full, you know what I'm saying? I don't see how they can do it. We got nothing but sweet and simple over here, y'all. Well proportioned. I try to stick to healthy foods, or you know, stuff that's not too bad. That's why I had to take a break from YouTube for a while. I was trying to keep up with the crowd, eating all kinds of stuff. And it just started making me feel bad for eating so much food, you know. I was trying to go on a weight loss journey, but I'm like being a hypocrite because I have a mukbang channel. So I know how to control myself a little bit better. My mukbangs are spaced out now. And when I do my mukbangs, it'd be like the only thing I eat for that day because it makes me full. No room for food in the beginning, no room for food in afterwards. Because, you know, on mukbang you gotta have a kind of a lot of food. I ain't trying to turn into nikocado-avocado, yo. And the gyms ain't open where I'm at. Because of coronavirus. I'm almost done with my chicken sandwich, y'all. But before I end the show soon, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my video, like this video, and don't forget to comment down below anything you would like to say. If you want a shout out for next video, go ahead and comment down below. I would like a shout out or shout out, please. I will shout you out. I feel like this mukbang is very boring, but gotta get in where it fit in, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm done. Woo! I'm full. Sure, I might as well go up to where drop my daughter off and go hike and go find her. Just to work this off, you know? Because these sandwiches here, they're like, oh, yeah, I don't even know. Like 500 calories, 450 calories. That's like 1,500 right there. That's like the amount I'm supposed to be eating per day. That's more. The amount that I'm supposed to eat, the amount of calories that I'm supposed to eat just to maintain my weight, 1,300 calories. Now, if I'm trying to lose weight, I need to drop it down to 1,100 calories. Yeah, so today I ain't losing no weight unless I go run it off. But anyway, I'm just babbling along. So until next time, you guys, bye.